sweetie, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you in my art lesson. Today we're gonna draw an Easter egg. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Now let's look at the picture.
The egg looks like an oval, but on the lower side this arch is white and the upper one is narrower. You can decorate the egg however you like. You can add any geometric shapes. Now let's start drawing. First we will draw the top of the egg. Draw an arch. It's a little sharp on top. Very few. Okay, that's right. Keep on trying. Then let's draw diagonal lines on both sides. Their ends are on the same level. Now let's connect these ends with an arch. First we continue the line a little. Then we round it down and to the right. Then we round it up and to the right and connect it to the right side. Okay, I like your egg. Now let's decorate it. Draw a zigzag at the top and bottom. Next, draw 5 hearts, 2 on the top of both sides, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom on both sides. That's the way! I like your hearts! And let's add wavy lines behind the hearts. We cut out the lines at the hearts and continue to draw after. That's the way to go! You did it! I love your Easter egg. It has so many details. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece on social networks. Take me a photo, Nanny Julie Art. In this part we will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want. To match your same coloring, or you could color any way you want. Let's start. The first step is tracing. The next step is coloring in size. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. You can choose any color you like.
Wow, you did awesome in coloring and drawing Easter egg. You can be super proud of your drawing. You're so talented. I like your details. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. All links in the description under the video. See you. Bye bye.